Let's take a minute and see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today, Carmelita and I are on Guadeloupe. For our on our own adventure, we are going to Datcha Beach and hopefully the island of Gosier. We're going to take a taxi there. We're sure excited to have you join us on this adventure. We just got dropped off at Datcha Beach. The taxi fare here was $20, so we're gonna head over to the island first, Gosier, and then we'll come back here and enjoy Datcha Beach. So the man said, Carmelita, we've got to go up here past the coconut tree to get to the ferry.
Okay.
And I believe he said it's $5 per person, €5 per person with return for the ferry. Pretty nice. They have a free shower here, so after we're done swimming we can rinse off before we head back to the boat.
Yes.
All right, he said go between these buildings, go up past the coconut tree and drop down to the ferry. Yeah, look at those little birds. Stairs, Carmelita.
Yeah.
Gonna get a little bit of exercise. So I think that's a coconut tree over there. See it to the left?
Oh, yes.
Bonjour. There's a nice little park above us. Got the crucifix up there. Looks like some playground stuff. Walking paths. We'll drop down here and ask the man about the ferry. Those are unique trees. Yeah.
That's awesome. Nice little sailboat area on the island.
I'm starting to perspire.
I am too.
It's humid.
It is very humid.
So it looks like it runs from 9 to 1 and 2 to 5.
€5.
Bonjour. 2.
12.
20?
12.
12. So it's €12.
Yeah.
This will be good. We're on the ferry, Carmelita.
Yeah.
Gonna sail right through all the boats.
Let's see what he does.
Nice views of Datcha. I don't know if you can see on the map I put in earlier in the video showing where Guadeloupe is, but it's a French country and it's shaped like a butterfly. Euros are the currency. Our taxi driver did take American dollars because I didn't have euros. I had a few euros, but I definitely wanted to save them for this ferry ride. The island doesn't look huge. There's a lighthouse on the other side of it. We'll walk over and see that. You run how often? About every 30 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Thank you.
That's just a fun.
The water looks nice and clear.
It does.
There goes our ferry. He says he runs every 20 minutes except between 1 and 2.
Beautiful breeze this morning.
Welcomed breeze at that.
Welcome.
It's
Very
warm and humid. Mid-November. Ah, I see the cliffs, yeah.
The cliffs are pretty.
It's beautiful. I can't read all those words, but it's looking like it's saying no dogs.
4 years of French and that did you no good.
That would be true. Looks like they have a place to get something to eat and drink here on the island. So Carmelita and I are going to do a little bit of exploring around the island. We checked there and they do have food and drinks. You know, they weren't open quite yet. It looks like this is the treed forest.
Hard heavy.
It's cooler in the shade.
It is. I think that's a path maybe over there. There's picnic benches and
Pavilions.
pavilions there. Sure.
It's like our own private island.
It is. Feels like it, doesn't it?
Maybe we'll see Gilligan. Coral's pretty interesting. Different colors, sponge-like. I hear the waves, Carmelita. Sitting on that limb. Well, we just saw that iguana. He's pretty smart or fearful of me, one or the other. I hope I got some footage of him. He was all like neon green and blue, but then as soon as he went in the woods, he turned a darker color. See him?
Oh yeah.
Chickens.
Chickens.
That's some kind of old building.
Yeah.
Looks like maybe the lighthouse is behind it. Yes, it is.
You see it?
I see the light. I can barely see it. I don't know how we get to it. It looks like we can go up the lighthouse,
It does.
at least to the first
Maybe.
deck.
Oh, look at the view.
Here we go down the stairs. The lighthouse was definitely worth seeing.
Oh, the views are beautiful.
Well, Carmelita, I said we make our way back through the forest and go see the beach.
Yes.
Maybe we'll see another iguana if we're quiet. We're back out near where we started. Think we can get on the beach over by that pavilion? It's just lovely. I'm ready for a little dip.
Yes, it's been a little toasty.
We'll have to see if they take credit cards for drinks. I might be a little thirsty after we swim. I just can't get over how clear their water is over here. Slight coolness, but definitely not cold. The bottom's sandy, but it's got some ripples in it. Sailboats and yachts. That was refreshing.
Very nice.
It's gonna be nice spending a few hours here on this beach. See if we can get a drink or not.
I think they're setting up when we walk by, so should be soon.
Then we'll take the ferry and see Datcha Beach. Ooh. Well, the bar and restaurant does take credit cards.
Nice.
They don't have food yet. They start serving food at noon, but I did get us each a pina colada.
Excellent.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers, honey. We took the ferry this time, but I think kayaking would be great fun.
Yeah, if we come back, maybe we'll try a kayak the next time.
I think so. I think it'd be fun. Even Billy.
Well, Carmelita and I really enjoyed Îlet du Gosier. Now we're taking the ferry back and look at Datcha Beach.
Yes.
That's where we started out, but we're going to actually walk the beach and have a look around and maybe swim.
Absolutely. Beautiful day. People kayaking to it. It's island.
All right, baby. Up over that little green mound into the park.
Yeah.
Down to Datcha Beach. We walked through the park and now we're back to Datcha Beach. It's feeling toasty, Carmelita.
Pretty hot. But there's a nice breeze.
There's the showers where people can rinse off after the beach. A lot of people are out swimming. Got some bars and restaurants right here on Datcha. Advertising wine and food. I'm sure they have other drinks too.
Down my feet are hot. Looks like there's lots of shade here.
Yeah, it's nice. In case you didn't want to rent a chair and an umbrella, plenty of natural shade. People taking advantage of it. Let's walk up here and go around the rock wall. Maybe there'll be another little beach. Very pretty.
Beautiful. I love that cliff view.
There's the island we just visited, Carmelita.
I know, nice.
Well, that concludes our on our own adventure here on Guadeloupe. Carmelita and I are going to finish the day relaxing on the beach and doing some swimming before we catch the taxi back to the boat. But anyway, thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.